Hi everyone, welcome back. This is indiafoodrecipes.in. Today our recipe is chicken curry, Chettinad special. Let us see the ingredients. Here I am going to use half a kg of chicken and 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 chopped red onion, some curry leaves and 1 chopped tomato and 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic. And this is our masala part. Here I'm going to use 2 dry chilies and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds sombu and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a handful of coconut. You can use 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, fresh coconut, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, salt as per taste. Let us see how to prepare this chicken curry. First of all, I am going to roast these ingredients, that is dry chili, black pepper, cumin seeds and sombu, fennel seeds. Sort it nicely without oil. Roast it well. When you get this cumin smell, then take it out. Look at this, they get slightly changed color. Now I'm going to take it out. Now I can smell the cumin also. Now I'm going to slightly roast this coconut. Roast it slightly. And take it out.
Hey.
Now coconut also ready. Now I'm going to take it out. This also. Look, and allow us to cool for 10 minutes. Then grind it. Make a fine paste. This is our ground masala. Okay. Now let's do the next step. Heat some oil in the pan. Make sure oil is heat. Then I'm going to add chopped onion. Saute it nicely until they get slightly transparent or slightly golden color also. Try to add red onion. Red onion will give some kind of sweet taste. They get slightly golden color. This is the time. Now I'm going to add crushed ginger and garlic and curry leaves also. Sort it nicely until remove the raw smell of this is ginger and garlic. Then curry leaves also. Sort it for 1 minute. After that we will add our chicken pieces. Then I'm going to add our chicken pieces. Sort it nicely until they get the white color outside. After that we will add our masala, like ground masala and garam masala, salt and tomato. Saute it for just 2 minutes. Now I am going to add our ground masala. Look, our chickens are getting slightly brown color also. This is the one I want. Now I am going to add the ground masala. That is roasted dry chili, cumin, fennel seeds and black pepper and coconut and tomato. and garam masala, and salt. Now sort it and mix it everything together first. Then I'm going to close this pan for next 15 minutes. After that, let us see how is our Chettinad chicken. Okay, now I'm going to close this pan. Now let's check the chicken curry. How it's cooked. Now it's cooked nicely. Look at this, the oils are comes out. This is the time. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Look how oils are comes out. We are getting nice color also. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. Here our chicken curry is ready to serve now. You can serve this chicken curry with a chapati, dosa or variety rice. Try it yourself. Send your valuable feedbacks to www.indiafoodrecipes.in. We'll meet in another video. Thank you.